Hello and welcome. In this tutorial, you will learn how to create a new mowing plot for your Vitirover robot. Whether you are a beginner or an experienced user, follow these simple steps to prepare your robot to maintain your plot with precision. Before starting the plot configuration on the web application, it is best to place your robot directly on the concerned plot to ensure optimal setup. Start by opening your web browser and entering the web address cloud.vitirover.eu. Log in using your credentials. If this is your first visit, feel free to create an account to enjoy the platform services. Once logged in, you will be greeted by your personal dashboard. This is the control center from where you can manage all your Vitirover robots. To start configuring a new mowing plot, go to the tab titled Tasks by clicking on the first navigation button on the list. Next, click on the robot concerned with your new plot, which allows for automatic adjustment of the location visualization where the robot is situated. To define your mowing plot, start by clicking on the icon symbolizing a polygon. Your cursor will turn into a pointer, ready to draw the contours of your new plot on the displayed map. To draw your plot, click on strategic points that define its contours. You can click on the corners or along the boundaries to trace the polygon that will represent your work area. Take the time to adjust the contours so that the delimited area perfectly meets your needs. The orange area represents the mowing area that the robot will handle. The yellow corridor outside the polygon represents the risk zone. This zone indicates to the robot that it is not in its work area and must return to its mowing plot. The plus button allows you to add new points along the edges to further adjust your plot, creating a new corner of your polygon. Once you are satisfied with the delimitation of your plot, it is time to fill in the details of your new task to save it. Give your mowing task a name and ensure to set the type as plot. You can also modify the default value of the risk zone width. For reference, this is the yellow zone you see on the map, which indicates to the robot that it needs to turn back to its work area in orange. Do not worry about the other parameters during this tutorial. They will be described in other tutorial videos or in the documentation, which you can find by clicking on the question mark next to your username at the top right. To send the new mowing task to your robot, simply select the robot dedicated to this task in the Send section. The plot has been successfully sent, and your robot will now begin its work. All that remains is to save your task for future use. Now, you know how to create a new mowing task and send it to your robot. Thank you for following this tutorial. For more information, feel free to visit our website.